So, you know how during COVID, it wasn't just GPUs that were in short supply? It was like any integrated circuit in general.
Dude, I remember USB cables being a problem.
Because the demand for anything that needed a wafer got so high because all of it was being allocated to very lucrative things. Well, guess what? I had a conversation with the Creator Warehouse team because, actually...
Ooh, I haven't seen this version.
Our power bank is that's a dev connector. There you go. That's a dev connector. Ignore that. But our power bank is in a very, very close to mostly completed physically and actually very close to completed firmware state. Nate told me that I'm allowed to, that's for simple disassembly and swapping of battery megs.
So it's like one screw kind of deal? Or?
You better believe it.
Wow. Other thing.
It's very close.
Is this venting?
That is, here, you can hold that up. That is
hard to see.
That's what we're calling the hat interface internally for now. We'll come up with branding for it. But it's a clip-on interface that will allow people to mount accessories to the top of it, and we're going to open up the mechanical files for that. So anything that would accept a USB PD could be adapted to live semi-permanently on one of these power cells, which I thought would be like a pretty cool use case, because we've implemented some kind of optional aspects of USB PD that are not necessarily that common, but could be very helpful for enthusiasts and hobbyists.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
I see battery banks in basically two general formats. There's like the wide and flat.
Yep.
And there's the basically that.
Yep.
Why?
Why this one?
Yeah.
This one is because we wanted the flexibility.
So the type of cells or okay.
Yeah, so we wanted the flexibility to support multiple cell types in the future, and 18650 is the one where we're most likely to get future development of cells.
Got it.
And this made the power routing, back when we were, actually this decision was made back when we were hoping to allow cells to be replaced, but we were not able to find a battery partner that was willing to sign off on that, at least not at this stage. It made the routing of the power easier. So it's a single board design, everything's up here, and it's a whole thing.
Yeah, okay. Do you want to talk about some of the hats? I guess this isn't really a product showcase of that thing.
What I want to talk about is the fact that this isn't coming out for at least a year.
Oh.
In spite of the fact that you guys can see it. Watch. Okay, watch this. I'm going to do this. This is how working it is. I'm going to plug in an LTT TrueSpec cable. I'm going to plug it into my phone.
Boink.
And my phone is now charging. That's how working it is. It will not come out for at least a year, because we were just quoted 44 weeks to get the ICs that we need to go to mass production.
Holy.
That's if we place the order today.
Well, okay.
So remember how like we had a GPU price thing during the second great crypto winter, and like cars got more expensive?
Yeah, but what?
It's happening.
So those...
Because we're using a similar enough... I think it's the buck booster that we're using or something. We're using a similar enough process node on that particular chip that because every power IC on the face of the bloody fucking earth is being allocated to data center stuff, there's no fab time. So, see ya in a year.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
Did you guys put the order in?
I don't know if we've actually placed the order yet, because we're still working. Because the worst thing that could happen...
You place that order, you change something about it.
...would be if we knew we were working on, say, for example, a gaming mouse. And we were to order thousands upon thousands of mouse processors.
For people that don't understand...
That happened.
Yeah, they did
during the second great crypto winter. If anyone wants to buy some mouse processors, by the way, in the we actually did a video where we get into the specific ones. It was like the products I couldn't release or products that failed or something like that on LTT, and we talk about it. I wasn't joking. If you want to buy those processors, they're brand new in box. I'd be happy to sell them to you. I'll give you a great price. Although maybe I should hold them.
Yeah,
because things are going to get pretty rough.